Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily find a deleted invoice on QuickBooks. So just head over to qbo.intuit.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, navigate to the settings icon. Just click on it. Then next, under the tools section, click on Audit Log. Next, from the Audit Log page, navigate to the Events drop-down menu, then click on it. Scroll down, then click on Deleted or Voided Transactions. And this is where you can see all of your deleted invoices. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!